Legoland Florida, where we've been invited out to check out their Brick or Treat event. Let's go inside and see what kind of spooky things they got going on. So right even before you enter the park, they have this little photo op, the Monster Party. Looks like that's kind of the theme this year. They have these little jack-o'-lantern Legos and then a little backdrop with some vampires, zombie cheerleaders, and then a werewolf. So they have this hearse over here, this Lego hearse, and apparently it takes over 280,000 bricks and about 2,400 hours to build. So very impressive. And they also have this little nifty pamphlet here. They got everything going on, food, and then inside they have like a map of all the treat stations and all the character experiences, everything like that. More jack-o'-lantern Legos as you enter the park. Little dragon. I think he might always be there though, but yeah. More jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, little green lighting. I'm sure that look really cool at night. This is going to give you a list of all the characters and the times that they're meeting. So you got Wolf Guy and Squarefoot, Spider Lady, Mummy, Witch, Zombie Pirate, and the favorite Shark Suit guy. Over here you got a little monster security, little walkthrough. Alright, you got Monster Rocker and the DJ. Looks like they got some zombie cheerleaders over here. So it looks like there's some kind of skeleton parade that you can join in over near the Miniland area. Very cool if your kids want to join in. Or if you're an adult, doesn't matter. So later on they're going to have the Spellbound, a monster party to last forever at 8 p.m. It's going to have lights, fireworks, and music. Looking forward to that. Another little spooky photo op with a spooky skull and yeah, purple netting around. Over here by the pirate show they have a Color Ye Zombie pirate hat, so kids can do a little activity to bring home. Very cool. Alright, just like every year for Halloween you gotta get your trick or treat, and they have all these trick or treat stations all around the park, so let's get the party started. So what's really neat is they give you these free trick-or-treat bags to get yourself some candy. We're going into a place called Wicked Sweet Way. So they got these cute little candies throughout the trees. Little spooky ghosts in the trees there. And here's another one in the plants over here. It's cute. So it looks like over here you can meet the mummy, so those are the times that's happening. And that's going to be his little photo area here. Alright, so they have this area over here where you can help build a Cobra. So it's a Cobra super brick build. So it's from 12:30 to 5:30. And you can see over here how they've already kind of started at the bottom.
Cursed artifact, which unfortunately has cursed us so that we cannot leave the land of adventure. However, we have been spending quite a bit of time in here talking to multiple curse breakers, and we think we may have cracked the curse, and we're about to test it out and see if we can leave the land of adventure. Okay, so
we've been suggested to sing a magical song.
Sing a magical song. So Indiana here is going to sing, and we're going to see if we can
So over by the Lego Kingdoms, they got it decked out in all these like cobwebs. Got the placard at the top and a little vampire guy. Yeah, looking good over here. So the castle over here is also decorated in spider webs, looking all Halloween. So in total they have 6 trick-or-treating locations, so they are scattered all around the park, so it's kind of a nice walk if you are going around. Alright, so we're gonna get ready for the VIM dance party hosted by Lord Vampire.
wishing you could just wait. Here we go. Tonight all the monsters gonna dance. We're coming to get ya. Tonight all the monsters gonna dance. We're coming to get ya. If your only dream are vampires. Here we go.
All spider webs, cobwebs all throughout the pathway. They have jack-o'-lanterns all scattered throughout the Duplo Valley. All throughout. And apparently there's some kind of candy corn scavenger hunt. So you can also do that. You gotta pick up a form somewhere. And then right over here, they got a big old jack-o'-lantern that you can take a little picture in, so that's kind of nice. So over in Duplo Valley, they have this jack-o'-lantern that you can come right up behind and stand up in and take a little photo. Cool. And they even got the jack-o'-lanterns in the rides. How cool. So here's another show over in Duplo Valley. Time to learn about Halloween. This is for kids 2 to 6, and apparently the schoolhouse teachers is gonna let them know everything to celebrate about Halloween. So yeah, 15 minutes, and these are the times. And just in case you didn't know, the Brick or Treat is gonna be going on select dates in September and October. Of course, check the website if you do not know those dates. So the main carousel in the beginning of the park is now themed to the Monster Party carousel and has a little twist. It features popular Halloween tunes to sing along to. Over in the theater, we have two kind of things. The Great Monster Chase 4D and then Mad Scientist Lab. So those are going on there. So as far as Halloween stuff goes, they have these cool magnets. They got bubble blowers. And then on over here, they have little storage bins, Brick or Treats, Legoland. And then over here, got the Lego sets, keychains, Are You My Mummy? And then a pajama set. Very cool. So this is an interesting show. It's a bunch of jack-o'-lanterns like in a band. The Jammin' Jacks.
Rock on!
I wonder if the Jammin' Jacks music will get demonetized. Let's see. Hey, Jammin' Jacks.
We all know what that sound means. Zombies.
'Cause this is Thriller night. There ain't no second chance against his name with 40 eyes.
Alright, over by the ice cream parlor, they have the Squad Ghouls milkshake. It looks like it's a mint chocolate shake. Purple chocolate rim, sprinkles, whipped cream, and candy items. $15. Over at the Loop and Kernel, they have this holiday food item, pumpkin patch pretzel. It's a pumpkin spice pretzel. $8. And over at the Kingdom Cones, they have the Witch's Brew soft serve. So it's a lime soft serve and tap with bats, spiders, spirited sprinkles, and a worm. R.I.P. See more models. LOL.
He started looking really tired, so I dug out this old book I had. The Green-Thumbed Gardener. And there's a section about magic plant potions.
Again, a witch and a magic plant potion?
Exactly. I took my questions down to Madam Ruth, the purple witch with the missing tooth. She had a plan that could grow a magic vine. She said all I needed was plant potion number 9. So we started talking. She asked me how big of a plant did I want to grow. Well, pretty big. So she asked me what I've already used. Sunlight, water, fertilizer, the usual. But this witch was not usual. She cackled, as if she knew that none of that would have ever worked. I told her that I was a block of sticks, but she should see me build with Lego bricks. She did my eyes and she needed that time.
You can think of a bunch of ideas and come up with the right one.
We must solve our mystery. This guy needs us desperately. If you have one shelf, I'll be a perfectly wonderful genius. Brilliant idea.
Okay, I'm thinking of something that all plants need. It's hot and sometimes bright. Does anyone know something bright? Sunlight! Yes! That's exactly what I was thinking of. Once in a lesson in science class, I had a lot to do with sunlight.
So after 6th station, the bag is literally full. Like, it's heavy. Like, thank you, Legoland. This is great.
First ingredient. I must say, you
So that's gonna do it here from Legoland Florida. I had a great time. Lots of trick-or-treating stations, so I got a ton of candy. The shows are really fun with the characters, and also fireworks are really cool. I had a great time. Once again, thank you to Legoland Florida for inviting me out. And as always, follow us on our socials, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!